Hi everyone. Today we are talking about a powerful addition to Python 3.10 beyond match statement. Python's way of implementing a switch statement. So traditionally Python didn't have a direct switch statement like other programming languages. If you wanted to handle multiple conditions, you often use a if-elif-else ladder, which can get messy and hard to read. And that's where the match statement comes to the rescue. It offers a clean and elegant way to handle branching logic. So let's take example here. Let's suppose I created one function, match equal here, and but in Python you can use a match keyword and the condition with the value is the condition, and the same we can define case statements. Value is 1 and print 1, value is print 2, and there is a default where you can use a underscore other programming a default keyword. So in Python underscore is the default. So if you see here showing a warning, it's a match statement require Python 3.10 or newer version. So it's available only from Python 3.10 newer version. So let's run this example. Value is like uh, call the example and pass the value. Okay. Even we don't need to print base. We are already print. We just need to call. Now let's so as we know we have to run Python 10. The output should be 2. Yeah, there you can see. What will happen if we run without Python 10 or earlier version. So let's do this. I'm running only Python 3.10, 3.8. So let's see what would be the output. So as you see, showing a syntax error basically. The match the value, the invalid syntax basically match keyword does not exist in 3.8. That's why showing it. So these case can be anything like a number, string, or even in Python you can pass tuple or a list. Okay, let's take another example. Just paste this, and in the value, uh, we can say a data. Okay, and data could be a tuple list or anything. Dictionary you can also pass. So let's first tuple. Okay, first parameter is number. The first value would be the number, and the second is Python. Then we can say like tuple one. Same here we can use dictionary if you want. So here you can take key value, key and value, and you can also use a list like this. Okay, with and you can use the default. You should use default always required. Now let's run this. So if I pass like a list here, uh, 3, I'm running. So it's printing. What will happen if change any? Let's suppose 1 2 3, only 1 2 3. That's saying unknown data because it does not match the exact. It should match the exact one. You can pass tuple and key. and dictionary, and you can try and play. Basically, that's it for today's video. The match statement is Python is a game changer for writing clean, maintainable code. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our SkillsHats channel for more Python tips and tricks. What questions or want to share your favorite use case for match? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.